by far the most tender and juicy bite so far. Okay, so my final conclusion is hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're doing a chicken challenge. So I have 4 chicken breasts and I prepped these 4 different ways. So this first one I marinated this in pickle juice overnight. Second one, I did a dry brine overnight. So I coated it in salt and let that sit overnight. Third one, I injected this with a little bit of chicken broth this morning. And the fourth one is just, I did nothing, just basically seasoned it up. I seasoned all 4 of these with the Cosmo Honey Killer Bee rub. Yeah, so let me get the smoker fired up and get these things on. Okay, so I got the smoker running right now at about 180 to 200 degrees. And I'm gonna run like this for about an hour. I wanna get some nice smoke flavor on there, but I don't wanna smoke it too low for too long. Chicken breasts are very, very, very lean. And if you smoke it for too low at a temperature for too long, you're gonna dry it out no matter what you do. So after an hour, I'm gonna bump the temperature up to about 300, 350 and finish the chicken off. Let's talk chicken really quick, guys. So, as you know, chicken breast is a super lean meat. And the margin for error when pulling off chicken breast is like super small. If you pull it off a minute too late, you could totally screw up your chicken and it could be super dry. So to avoid this, I use a Thermal Maven meat thermometer. I have a thermometer in each piece of chicken. So yeah, the plan is I'm gonna pull these off at 154 degrees. It should give us an equal comparison on whether or not which method works the best. Okay, so some of the chicken's just about done. We're almost about to hit our target temperature of 154 degrees. So I'm gonna start pulling some of the chicken off. Stay tuned for the reveal. Okay, so we're ready to go here. I'm super pumped for this, honestly. I cook a lot of chicken, and I'm curious to see which method turns out to be the best. Honestly, I think the injection's probably gonna win. That's where my money is. But we're gonna see. So I'm gonna take these all off, take the thermometers off, and I'm gonna cut into each piece. And I'm gonna try to do a close-up and see if you guys can see how it looks inside. I'm not sure how it's gonna come across, but I will taste test each of these, obviously, and I'll give you my honest feedback on them. So I did try to pull all these exactly at the same temperature, so we'll see what happens. So let me get the chicken out of here, and I'll get the thermometers out. I'll start cutting into them and see what happens. Okay, so I'm looking at each one of these, and they all look pretty good. Honestly, I think none of them are dried. That's for sure. The injection is definitely looking the best as far as visually and also as far as the juiciness. So let me cut a piece of each of these. So I'm gonna start with the pickle and then move my way down. Flavor's great. I love the pickle brine. Give the pickle brine a shot. This is the dry brine. Solid. Not gonna complain eating this at all. Injection. This thing looks juicy. Oh man. By far the most tender and juicy bite so far. This is the one with nothing. We just seasoned it, put it on the smoker. It's good. It's just compared to the other ones. Right now it's between the pickle and the injection. And I'm gonna take a bite of each of those one more time and see which one I like. Okay, so my final conclusion is I like the pickle brine the best, just because I feel like the extra flavor. I love pickles, so I don't know. The pickle brine's great. Injection's probably a close second. It's actually probably a little bit more. It's probably a little bit more tender and juicy, honestly, the injection. But the pickle brine, just the flavor for me, I've done pickle brines a lot in the past, and I've always liked them. I just wanted to put it on and see how it competes against the other methods here, and I think I'd choose the pickle brine just because of the extra flavor. But all right, so that's a wrap. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing. It really helps out the channel grow. But thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.